Welcome to another animation class. Today we are going to learn animation with PowerPoint. Now the first thing is to launch PowerPoint. If you have Microsoft PowerPoint on your desktop, all you need to do is to double click if you have it as shortcut. And if you have it on your taskbar, like I have mine on my taskbar, I'm going to click to launch the application Microsoft PowerPoint. Now, if you are using Windows 10, Windows 8, 8.1 or Windows 7, you can launch the application generally by clicking on Start, and you can search for the application. If I click on my search icon and type PowerPoint, you're going to see the application. So I can search for the application and click right here to launch it, or I click on Start. All Program, Microsoft Office, and click on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now after launching the program, you can create your project from templates, from existing templates, or from a blank presentation. For our project, we are going to click on blank presentation. Now clicking on blank presentation, this is PowerPoint environment. This environment that is white is where you will be this is where the output of your work will be shown. Anything outside this white area is not going to display. So where your work area is within this white area, this work area. Then you have at the top, you have the title bar. Now the title is presentation 1, but if I click on file, if I save it for the first time, I click on save as, and I save it on my desktop. You can save it in any location, and I type year 7, I type year 8 animation, and I click save. You can see that from presentation 1 it has changed to year 8 animation. Now apart from the title bar, you have the menu bar where you have a lot of menus. You have file, you have home, insert, design, transition, animation, slideshow, and so on. Now what the menu will be making use of in our project or in this class is home, insert, transitions, and animation. These are the 4 menus we will concentrate on: home, insert, transitions, and animation. So now to start our project, I'm going to delete the text box that I have on my screen. I want everything to be blank. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my background, the background of my work. So now I'm going to do that, I'm going to insert animated mountain. I'll click pictures and click online. I'll get the picture online, or you could get it if you have it downloaded on your system, so you can get image. I'm going to click animated mountain, and I'll hit my enter key, and you have so many options that you can select from. So I'm going to select the first option and click insert. It's downloading it. You just have to wait. Now this is the animated mountain. I'm going to enlarge it so that it covers my work area. And the next thing is I'm going to bring in a GIF file. I'm going to bring in a GIF file. Now to get the GIF file, you can go to insert and go to my pictures and online pictures, and you can type animated running lion GIF, and you hit the enter key. So I'm going to uncheck this, and this is the one here. This one right here is the one I'm using. Now if you don't, now because this is image, so you are not seeing the effect, you are seeing it as image, but you can go directly to your browser. You can go directly to your browser and just go to bing.com. You go to bing.com and you type animated running lion GIF, and you click enter or the search icon. So now you can see, if I click on this, you can see that this is a GIF file, and you can see. So you can download this. I have it on my system already. I have it downloaded already. So I'm going to close this and go back to my PowerPoint and bring the animated GIF file as a video file. So I will go to my video and click on video on my PC, not online now, video on my PC. I have it on my desktop. I'm going to click on desktop, and I'm going to change this to all files, and I have it right here. So I'm going to bring it in and click insert, and you can see that it's a GIF file and it's not just an image. So I'm going to reduce it and drop it right here. Now this is important because if I just bring it in as an image, it's not going to have this motion effect. Now if I go to insert and I go to insert online picture, I go to online picture and I type a animated running lion, animated running lion, and I put a GIF. Now even with the GIF, if I import it directly from here, I'll uncheck this, it's not going to have that motion effect. If I bring it in, okay, wow, it has it. So you can do it that way too. You can do it that way. So if you want to do it this way, so now the next thing I'm going to do is I want this lion to run across to this point. I want the lion to run across. You can see that the lion is moving, but it's not moving forward. The lion is not moving forward and it's not moving backward. It's just on the spot. So I want it to move. So that is what I'm going to do. Now to do that, I'm going to click on the lion and go to animation, and I'm going to motion parts. I go to motion parts and click line. So when you click line, you can see I'm going to have this, and here this line, this is vertical. I'm going to click on it and make sure that it's horizontal because I want the lion to run across. So then I'm going to move it in a straight line, I'm going to draw that line how I want the lion to run. Just continue to draw the line until it gets to this point, and I'm going to leave it. Now after doing that, I'm going to click on my animation pane and play to see. You can see, but it's too fast, so I'm going to adjust duration. And also I'm going to adjust delay, and let's see. Okay, it's okay. So, and I can also adjust it from here. Seconds, can adjust seconds from here. So I'm going to check it now, and let's see. Okay, so this is better. So now this is how to create simple animation with PowerPoint. There are other projects that we will be looking at in PowerPoint, but this is just to introduce you to animation with PowerPoint. If I go to my slideshow, you're going to see it, and okay, I think I have to click before it moves, but I will go back and set it to over here. I'm going to click on with previous. So I want it to move together. Once I launch it, I want it to move with the background. So I'm going to go to my animation now, to my slideshow now, and click, and without me clicking, it moves automatically. You can see the animated mountain that we use. So that will be the end of this lesson, and this is just to introduce you to animation with PowerPoint. You can do a lot more animation with PowerPoint, especially 2D animation.